Hello everybody, welcome to Designs by Dina and welcome to Whatever Wednesday. Whatever Wednesday is when I go in my closet and I look and see what I can find in there, and whatever I find is what I craft with. But I am going to add something new to it. This is a Chalk Couture palette sign. It's a 9x12 palette sign. You can see it's already whitewashed and everything. It's double-sided, so you can use it this way or that way, or this way or that way. So we're going to use it just like this though tonight. So we're going to use that as a surface, and I have just recently become an affiliate for Digital Deco Design. And if you're not familiar with that is, it's rice paper. You see a lot of crafters using it, and so she reached out to me and I said, well, I think I could kind of incorporate that in with some of my wood projects, or just for whatever Wednesday, you know, on some of the frames that I already have. So I already had this board, I've had it forever, and it's like one of my favorites. It's a good piece of chunky board. It's a good piece of wood, y'all. So anyway, all right, look at this one. Silent Night, and this one says, I saw 3 ships. This one says, the Happy Christmas. Then I can't read that one, but look at Santa. Is he not the cutest? So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put it on this board, and that's it. And we're just gonna zhuzh it up. done? Am I done? Is that bow too long? Okay, look, you guys.
She looks